Have you ever wondered why some people go through life without a single close friend? It's not always what you think. Is it shyness, bad luck, or something deeper going on inside their minds? Today, we dive into the psychology. First, let's be clear, having no friends doesn't mean a person is weird or broken. Most people assume friendless people must be antisocial. But science says otherwise. The psychology often starts in childhood. Early social experiences shape how we connect with others for life. Kids who grow up without secure attachment, without feeling truly loved and safe, often struggle to trust others later. One of the biggest reasons people avoid friendships is the deep fear of being rejected. Inside their head, a constant voice says, "Why would anyone want to be friends with me?" Social anxiety is extremely common among people who have no friends. Everyday interactions feel like huge challenges. They replay conversations in their head, worrying about what they said, what they should have said. Not all friendless people are lonely. Some are introverts who genuinely enjoy their own company. For introverts, being alone is not painful, it recharges them. Loneliness, however, is different. It's the painful feeling of wanting connection, but not having it. Studies show that chronic loneliness actually hurts the brain, similar to physical pain. Many people with no friends carry low self-esteem. They believe they're not interesting or worthy of connection. This creates a loop. Low self-esteem leads to avoidance, avoidance leads to isolation, and isolation lowers self-esteem even more. Sometimes, the cause is simpler: past betrayal. Being hurt by a friend can close a person's heart for years. Once trust is broken, it's hard to rebuild. Every new person feels like a potential threat. Some people are neurologically different, like those on the autism spectrum, and find social interaction genuinely confusing. That's not a flaw. It's simply a different way the brain works. Depression is another major factor. When someone is depressed, socializing feels impossible, like climbing a mountain. It drains energy. Even replying to a message can feel overwhelming. Major life transitions, moving cities, changing jobs, graduating, can suddenly strip people of their social circles. And starting over socially as an adult is genuinely hard. In school, friendships form naturally. But in adult life, nobody hands you a social circle. Some people were simply never taught how to make friends. They may overthink conversations, rehearse them in their head, and freeze when things don't go as planned. When they do talk, they stay on the surface, safe topics, small talk, never going deeper. But real connection requires vulnerability. And for many, that feels terrifying. So they wear a mask, appearing fine on the outside, while feeling disconnected inside. Many turn to online spaces for connection: gaming, forums, social media. And while that helps, it rarely replaces the depth of real human connection. Lack of connection has real consequences. It increases the risk of depression, heart disease, even early death. In fact, chronic loneliness has been compared to smoking 15 cigarettes a day. The stigma makes it worse. People feel ashamed, so they hide it. Social media adds fuel to the fire. Everyone else seems happy, social, connected. And the thought grows louder: what is wrong with me? Over time, some people stop trying altogether. They expect rejection, so they avoid it. Isolation becomes familiar. And familiar feels safe. But here's the truth: the brain is not fixed. Change is possible. You don't need 10 friends overnight. One small connection is enough to begin. Start small. Make eye contact. Say hello. Smile. These tiny actions rebuild confidence. Journaling can help you process emotions and understand your pattern. Therapy, especially CBT, is highly effective for social anxiety and loneliness. It helps you challenge thoughts like, "I'm not likable," and replace them with something more real. Joining a group, a class, a club, a sport, creates natural opportunities for connection. Shared interests are powerful. You don't need to be charming, just relatable. Social skills are like muscles. The more you use them, the stronger they get. And being kind to yourself is essential. Self-compassion is not weakness, it's the foundation of connection. If you feel like you have no friends, know this, you are not alone. Millions of people feel the same way. In fact, loneliness is now considered a global epidemic. Modern life has made connection harder, not easier. But reconnection is always possible. Even one close friend can change everything. It's not about quantity. It's about depth. Reaching out takes courage. It feels uncomfortable. But that discomfort is where change begins. Send that message. Go to that event. Take that step. And over time, it gets easier. Your brain adapts. Your confidence grows. And slowly, connection returns. If you're listening to this and feel alone, you are seen. You are not broken. And connection is always within reach. Subscribe my channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.